Lexitas is excited to present a robust BCVA certification program using state-of-the-art simulation technology powered by Proficiency. Proficiency's virtual simulation-based technology uses immersive real-world scenario-based learning to measure the learner's ability to make decisions that are consistent with BCVA standards and a variety of situations. The curriculum includes training built by Lexitas covering room setup, primary BCVA training on both typical and low-vision situations, ongoing recertification modules, and an additional CRA training simulation to ensure that CRAs and monitors on your study are applying consistent practices. Additionally, all study team members, including the Lexitas monitoring team, will have access to site performance metrics. These critical metrics drive proactive remediation for any site team members that may be struggling with meeting the certification standard, allowing potential problems to be remedied before they impact study data. Learning and certifying is important, but ensuring that sites can consistently apply the defined BCVA standards in your actual studies is critical. To support site team members after initial certification, the program includes the graphical manual and quick reference guides that they can use to reference in the field. The use of simulation is the gold standard for ensuring competency and performance in any industry where decision-making can impact human life. Allowing learners to practice in a risk-free environment like the Proficiency platform is the next evolution for clinical trials. The Lexitas training and certification programs, powered by Proficiency, promises to take ophthalmology studies into the next era of innovation and quality.